Hello everyone and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you are new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing. It's completely free. You just have to click that red button down below, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. So now that the weather is just starting to cool down here in New York, I thought it would be a great idea to do Crocktober for the entire month of October. So what that means is that every Foodie Friday, I am going to have a brand new cozy crockpot meal ready and waiting for you guys. These are going to be perfect for the upcoming cooler months. I love crockpot meals, setting it up in the morning, letting it cook all day, and coming home to an amazing home-cooked meal. So to get it all started, I am going to be doing a chili for you guys today, and not just any chili, but a pumpkin chili, perfect for fall. And I love serving my chili with cornbread, so to go along with it, I'm going to be making the Skinny Taste corn casserole. And you would never know by the taste of this that it is a lightened up version of that classic delicious corn casserole. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and give this recipe a try. If you do, make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know. So to get this chili started, I grabbed a yellow onion and I'm just dicing that up. Next, I'm going to preheat a pan over medium-high heat and add in some olive oil. I'll add in a pound of ground turkey as well as the onion that I just chopped up and break up the meat as it browns. The recipe didn't call for it, but I also added in a couple of minced garlic cloves. I think that this is going to add some great flavor. While the meat mixture is cooking, I'm going to grab a can of pumpkin, a can of diced tomatoes, as well as a can of chili beans and a can of black beans. I'll just open all those up to get them ready, and I'm going to rinse my black beans as well. Once your turkey is completely browned, you're going to want to spray your slow cooker with nonstick spray before adding in the meat mixture as well as all of the canned products. Okay, now it is time to add some serious flavor to this chili. So here I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. I also added in a sprinkle of salt and some fresh ground pepper as well. Seriously, this combination of spices made this so delicious. It gave it such a sweet and smoky flavor. It was delicious. Now all that's left is to mix this all up really well before putting the lid on your crock pot and letting this cook on low for 3 to 4 hours. And try not to drool, smelling all those delicious aromas for the next couple hours while this finishes cooking. Okay, a little over an hour before you're ready to eat, it's time to make this amazing corn casserole. So to a very large mixing bowl, I'm adding in an 8.5 ounce corn muffin mix, as well as a 15-ounce can of sweet yellow corn that I have already drained. I'm also adding in a 15-ounce can of the sweet creamed corn. Now here I'm going to add 1/2 cup of these liquid egg whites. And you also need 16 ounces of fat-free Greek yogurt. These containers are each 5.3 ounces, so 3 of them are the perfect amount. The last ingredient that I'm adding here is 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm going to add that in and then mix everything all up. If it turns white and sort of frothy, you might think, hey, I'm doing something wrong. No, do not worry. You are doing just fine. That's exactly how it's supposed to come out. The last step is to just spray a casserole dish with nonstick spray and dump the entire mixture in. This is going to bake in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. It is finally dinner time and I can't wait to enjoy a big bowl of this chili. I am going to be topping mine with a little bit of Greek yogurt and a big sprinkle of cheese before slicing a generous slice of my yummy corn casserole to go right alongside with it. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you'll give this pumpkin chili or corn casserole a try. I promise you won't regret it. They are both perfect fall recipes for the upcoming cooler weather. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And I'm going to see you guys on Tuesday with a brand new video. Bye!